Dan from Moonshine BBQ here at Mr. Baillie and Co in Rozelle. I'm here with Steve. We're here today to pick up a leg of pork. We're going to make our own Christmas ham. Steve, thanks for joining us, mate. Tell us a little bit about Mr. Baillie and Co.
So Mr. Baillie and Co is an ethical butcher shop in Rozelle. We do pasture-raised animals direct from the farm. And this bit of pork here is from Oberon, a farm called Crack Willow, run by Bernice and Chris.
Fantastic. And so this is what's left of the pig. I just watched you butcher up the rest of it, which is fantastic. So tell me how we're going to kind of cut this up and then how we should probably cook it.
Sure. You're the expert on cooking it and smoking it, but I can cut it up for you. And I'm going to start by taking the trotters off, and I'll do that by just cutting the joint around the skin there, and then that will just snap off. Cut that off. And I can do the other side, but we just need one leg today, so I'm going to cut that down the middle. Take the tail bone and
you guys do whole animal butchery today?
That's correct, yeah. So we do whole animals, and the reason we do that is we like to use the whole animal and minimise waste. And by buying the whole animal direct from the farmer, we know exactly how the animal's been raised. And our philosophy is we want the animal to be happy from the day it was born to the day it dies. So that way, buying direct from the farms and sourcing farms that use correct farming practices, raise the animal outside, on pastures. Pasture-raised animals are happy animals. Happy animals taste better.
Fantastic.
So,
happy animals taste better. I love it. Awesome. So once we kind of trim this up, we're actually going to take this home. We're going to probably cure it in a mix of salt, sugar, some curing salt. We're probably going to wet cure it as long as it takes to wet cure something of this size, and then we'll smoke it up. So stay tuned for more. Back home, we've got our fantastic leg of pork that we got from Mr. Baillie and Co in Rozelle. What we're going to do now is we're going to cure this. We're going to cure it in a brine for the next 16 days in the fridge. Once that's done, we're going to take it out of the brine and we're going to smoke it, and we'll have our Christmas ham. Now, we've trimmed the meat up a little bit, we've taken the fat cap off, and we've taken some of the sinew off as well, because what we want the wet cure to do is really penetrate the meat. And so, to make the brine is very simple, but it's also a very exact science. We recommend looking at the Amazing Ribs website. They have a fantastic calculator on there that takes into account the weight of meat, the amount of liquid, and the amount of pride powder and salt that you need to use. For us, we've now got a 4.8 kilo leg, so based on that, we're going to use 10 litres of distilled water, 500 grams of salt and 38 grams of pride powder. Now, the reason we use distilled water is because we want that water to be as pure as possible and not come out of the tap where it may have additional chemicals added into it. So to make the brine, super simple, water in a food safe bucket, again, talking about that purity in there. We want to add the salt and we want to add the pride powder in as well. Stir it in, dissolve it, chill the water down before you put the ham in, and then take it out of the fridge once it's chilled, pop the ham in, pop the lid on, back in the fridge, and let it set for the next 16 days.